This is just incredible. Let me just, I have to use this. I have to use this. I have to use this. Because do my lippy up. Wow. Greetings and salutations. My name is Clucth and welcome to my sanctuary. For those of you who have been here before, welcome back, and for those of you who've just stumbled upon this channel, you're also very welcome. Hope you like it here and consider subscribing and liking this video if you like this video, and check out other ones. I now have other ones. So what we will be doing today is I am doing an unboxing, well, unpackaging rather, something I got from Avelina De Moray. I freaking love Avelina De Moray. She's an awesome YouTuber, she's a great singer and like generally amazing musician. I'm a big fan of As Angels Bleed, which is her band, and one of these days I will definitely do my Avelina De Moray collection because she does a lot of bags and stuff like that, so I have quite a bit of things that I can show you. But today I got, which is very exciting, I haven't even opened it yet, so this package here contains a bag of hers and something that's literally just come out. So let's open it and check it out. So, trying not to cut myself, let us open this. Oh, very good with the sound mic. I think I used to do it. Okay, so we're gonna open this. Ooh, I might cut this bag, so I'll put the blade away. I only take it because it looks cool. So, haha, I've been waiting for this. It actually got here quite quick because it's in Australia, so it's not too far. So, okay, I'll open that later. Ooh, wow. Isn't it beautiful? Like, it's this beautiful black luxurious velvet with the logo of Avelina De Moray there. And all her bags pretty much come in these wonderful bags. So I have a few. Okay, so that's, we will get to that one because that's not super new. What is super new is, isn't this amazing? It's a compact mirror that literally just came out. There's a few different designs. I have the red patent leather one. Well, patent leather, it's not real leather, but you know what I mean. And, oh, how do you open it? How do you open it? How do you open it? I want to touch it. I want to touch it! Oh my god. It is so light too. So, and that mirror is real glass as well, because Avelina said she had issues with other materials. So then it says Avelina De Moray there, and you can see that that is a beautiful red spider web. So there, and then you have on the back of it, so this was done by Avelina De Moray, inspired by Christiana, one and only, who's a famous Instagrammer. It's absolutely stunning. And here it says, beauty is often hidden in the darkness. So this is their collab. And how beautiful is that? And when you open it, so Avelina was actually showing this in her video of this mirror, and it just does this. That is pretty cool, I must admit. I really like that. So yeah, that is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, I love it. And it's so light as well. Great sound. Awesome, so that is beautiful. So that's that one. I love this, this is beautiful. Now, the other bag. So because shipping, generally, what I like to do is if I'm buying something small like this, I thought I'd get a bag because these were actually almost selling out. And this is the Vamp clutch, which is from an older collab Avelina did. I think it might have even been the first. I'll link it down below, and I'll put a thing up if it was the first or not. But oh my god, how absolutely stunning is this bag. Oh, and it has the little, again, Avelina De Moray label. And there's a little cross, or there's a zip there. Wow. You know, I never used to like patent leather, but it's really kind of growing on me. It's so flash and sort of fancy, I guess. So this is the Drac Makkens collab. I've never really watched Drac Makkens. That was, I think, before I really started watching YouTube. So I didn't really start until, well, fairly recently. And I don't know, I don't think she's even active anymore. Oh wow, there is a tiny, beautiful, I will try and lift it up so you can actually see that. A tiny red cross. Isn't that the most amazing thing ever? And of course there is so you can use it as a clutch, but oh my god, that is the chain that you can put it on. So you can use it as a clutch or a sort of crossbody over the shoulder kind of bag. I love it. And it's not super heavy either, it's just, it looks so amazing. And of course, look at this. It matches, the color schemes match. Oh, so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. And this isn't a real mirror here, so that makes it much lighter. But this is real glass, this one. Wow. This is just incredible. Let me just, I have to use this. I have to use this. I have to use this. Let's do my lippy up. Wow. Like, I'm completely blown away by the quality of this. Like, I knew it looked good, but this is incredible. So yeah, I will definitely be styling and using these. I'm a big fan of Avelina De Moray. There's a few items that I'm not a super big fan of, but in general I think her designs are exceptional. She has the most amazing taste. I've seen all these Instagram photos of her house and just what she's done with it. It's just to die for. It's everyone's dream, I think, really. I will link all her sort of details down below, and especially these items, as well as her Instagram and YouTube, and you could just check it out for yourself if you want, but I will probably be doing like a full collection and mini review on some of the items that I've been using most video as well. But yeah, I'm just really impressed. So yeah, if you want to grab one, there's variations on patent leather ones. So there's the white spider web, the black spider web, then there's the matte version of all of those as well. So, you know, it caters to anyone's taste really. So yeah, thank you for watching a shorter video today, but I think the content makes up for that. Thank you very much for joining me in my sanctuary. Again, for those of you who are returning, and if you're here for the first time, I hope you come back. If you like this video, please like it down below. And if you like the content and want to see more of it, please subscribe to the channel. It just shows me that I should keep making these videos, which I quite enjoy. So thank you very much again. Have a pleasant time of day wherever you are, and greetings and salutations.